Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Rancho Mirage local and long-distance movers near me. We make sure your long-distance move happens on schedule without stress. No matter how far you need to move, our skilled crew of movers can make it a lot simpler. The right moving services help make all the difference, and our experts provide just what you need for your upcoming move. We handle all the important moving choices, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring a local California moving company might seem unnecessary initially. When you evaluate the primary advantages you gain, the cost may be a lot easier to manage. You get the benefit of saving time on your local move, which can be well worth it. Avoiding the heavy lifting also offers an additional benefit you get from working with the best local movers. With our experienced movers, you receive a very efficient move from beginning to end. You don't need to worry about spending several days managing your move when you choose 3Movers to help. No matter how big your move is, we can get it done fast. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rancho Mirage moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.